Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. Today, we're sharing 5 pro tips to help you organize your Gamma workspace like a pro. From folders and favorites to restoring and archiving content, these tips will make your projects easier to find and manage. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Folders. If you're working on multiple projects or collaborating with different teams, folders are a great way to stay organized. To create a new folder, start from your Gamma dashboard and click the plus button next to Folders. Give it a name and finally select Create Folder. To join an existing folder, follow the same steps, but instead navigate to a folder and click Join. It will instantly appear in your folder list. To share your folder, open it and click on the 3 dots next to the Members section. Then select Copy Folder Link and send the link to your team or collaborators. Folders make your workspace cleaner and your workflow smoother. Tip 2. Favorite Gammas. Star the projects you use most frequently to keep them easily accessible. Just hover over any Gamma and click the little star icon. That Gamma will now show up in your Favorites tab at the top of your Gamma dashboard. It's the fastest way to keep your most important content in just one click. Tip 3. Sorting options and views. Gamma lets you customize how you see your workspace. At the top right of your workspace, use the Sort By menu to arrange your Gammas by last edited, date created, or title. You can also reverse sort order and toggle between Grid View and List View. Tip 4. Restore Gammas. If you accidentally deleted one of your Gammas, you can easily restore it. Go to the bottom of your dashboard and click Trash. Here, you'll find a list of Gammas you've deleted. Choose the one you would like to recover, click on the 3 dots, and then select Restore to bring it back to life. One click, and it's like it never left. Tip 5. Archive and restore themes. If you have a theme you no longer want to use, you can archive it to keep things tidy. Open the Themes tab, click the 3-dot menu, and select Archive Theme. Archiving removes the theme from your custom themes list without affecting any existing Gammas using it. This feature allows you to tidy up your workspace while creating new branded looks, ensuring your team always uses the latest brand elements. To bring any theme back, go to the Archived tab and then hit Restore. These 5 tips will help you keep your Gamma workspace clean, simple, and efficient, so you can focus and work faster. Try them today at gamma.app and bring your ideas into the universe. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tips and tutorials.